Well, hi there, my name is Joseph Gonzales with Septic Marketing Pros, and in this short video I want to show you what's possible when you get your internet marketing right for your septic company. Now this applies whether you're a pumper, you do installs, maybe do porta-jon rentals, either way this applies to your business if you are in the septic industry. Now I made a search for septic tank pumping Jacksonville, Florida, and as you can see there's 3 businesses that are displayed at the absolute top here. These are 3 companies, and then below this we've got a list of websites. Now I want to explain really quickly the marketing strategy you should be using. Now it's 2020 when I'm recording this video, and the marketing strategy that worked in the past, such as phonebook, yellow pages, those things obviously don't work today, and many times people are a little bit lost on where they should go. They know they should have some online marketing done, but they're not really sure where to start and where the most effective use of their money for their marketing budget should go. And the Google Maps, as you can see, is the absolute top dominating result when you search. And so this is where we found that like 90% of the untapped market is found oftentimes in Google Maps. So if you're not optimizing for Google Maps effectively, and you have a comprehensive strategy to rank really well in the Google Maps, you're missing out on what used to be a full page yellow page ad. So many times what people do is that they will search for their business or their search septic pumping nearby, and it'll, since they're at home or maybe they're at their business where their address is located, it'll show them number 1, but yet the call volume is not reflecting that. So you have to do a very generic search, and search septic pumping, septic tank pumping, or septic service, whatever it may be, and then just put on the town name. So this right here is a client of ours, and they are ranking number 1 for septic tank pumping. And of course I'll just show you the website as well. The website is right here. I'm just going to go back. So the website is right here. There's places where they can make a phone call right here. They click the button for a free estimate, or they can fill out a quote. And this is the client right here. Now, just to show you exactly what that translates into, this is a tracking number, 904-747-8871. This is a tracking number, and we can actually see exactly how many calls are coming from this number. So again, this is in Jacksonville septic tank pumping. The 2 number is 8871. I just want to show you this so you can see that we do indeed control this phone number, 8871. And just look at all these calls. I don't want to spend a lot of time, obviously there's a lot of phone numbers here, but the 530 calls from Monday, June 1st to Monday, June 29th, 2020. Those are 530 calls. Now just imagine for a minute, what would 530 additional phone calls do for your business? This is not counting repeat and referral business. This is a tracking number that's only displayed on the Google My Business listing, and then when you click to it, it shows what's called dynamic number insertion. So the majority of their calls are actually going to be from their main number, which ends in 6000. So oftentimes it's just amazing the amount of call volume, amount of customers you can tap into when you get ranked really well in the Google Maps. Septic service industry is very emergency based. People have an issue, they need it taken care of right away, and if maybe they're new to the area or people don't have a septic company that's top of mind, they're going to make a Google search. This is equivalent to them pulling out their phone, saying Google, septic tank pumpers in my area, septic tank cleaning in my area, and you want to make sure that your business and your website shows up number 1. If this makes sense to you and you want to see results like this for your business, we work specifically with the septic industry. Septic Marketing Pros is the name of our company, and we work with over 3 dozen companies in the United States and Canada to help them with their online marketing and help them get their online marketing right. We do everything from website design, reputation management, SEO, pay-per-click advertising, and an all-encompassing package that will help you get more customers for your septic company. So I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Look forward to hearing from you. Hope you're having a great day. Take care.